very good morning, children. Let's start our science class. Today we are going to discuss an important topic. It means very interesting topic. Very interesting topic. What is that? Did you guess? Yes. What is that? In third lesson, adaptation in animals. Till now, we discussed about the terrestrial animals. Now, the other form of a land, other form of on the earth is covered with water. What is that? Another form. Terrestrial means what, children? On the land. Animals are living on the land. Those are the terrestrial. So, on the land over different forms. Now, one more place are covered on the land. What is that? Water. What is that? Water. So, not only animals are not only living on the land. Some animals are living in the water too. In the water. Then how it lives in the water? On the land we know very well. Like many animals we can see in our surroundings. Cow, goat, sheep, buffalo, camel, dog, cat. These animals are living on the land. We know. Then how these animals, which animals are living in the water? How can they live? How can they live? You know? Did you guess any time animals are living in the water? Yes. Some animals are living in the water also. How it lives? See, for example, sometime we stand in a water. Previous classes in the adaptations in plants, we discussed about water plants. We discussed about water plants. I take you to nearby the water. Nearby the water. Then in the water, we saw number of trees. Like a lotus, water hyacinth, duckweed, tape grass, different water plants we saw nearby the river. Now also we will go there and we will discuss which animals are living in the water. We cannot go in the water because we cannot live in the water. Why? Our body is suitable to live on the land. We are not a special organs to live in the water. To live in the water. If you stand, why? See that, for example, it gets rain, suddenly it gets rain. If we stay some time in the water, in the rain or outside of the water, what will happen? You become wet. We become wet. Then what will happen? Automatically we will get cold. Ach, we are getting sneezing. So we will get the cold. Then in the water we cannot able to stay. Then how the animals live in the water? What body features are suitable to live in the water? What body features are suitable to live in the water? That everything we will discuss now. Are you ready to learn, children? Yes. Okay. Now come to the water. And what are the features of the water animals to live in the water? What are the body features are suitable to adjust these animals are living in the water? That we will discuss. Now, first of all, animals are living in the water. Those animals are known as aquatic animals. What animals, children? Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Animals live in the water. Entire life, those animals entirely they live in the water. Those animals are known as aquatic animals. The word aqua Aqua means water. The word aqua. Aqua means water. Word aqua means water. Many times we heard this word. Aqua, aqua girl. Aqua girl. It means aqua girl means, you know children, water, purifier of water. In our houses, your mom, your dad, many times they are repeating aqua girl, we are seeing them. Because this aqua means water. Aqua girl means purifier of water. And aquatic means existing or something happens. Something happens or existing in water. Existing in water. It means what is happening in the water. Aquatic means something happens in the water or existing in the water. So, aquatic means, aqua means water, aquatic means something happens or existing in water. So, which animals? Now, are you understand children? What about aquatic animals? Aquatic animals means animals that live in the water. Those animals are aquatic animals. Now, which animals are living in the water? Which animals are living in the water? You know what animals are living in the water? Yes. What animals? Animals such as fish, turtles, prawns, crabs, dolphins, whales, shark, starfish, octopus. In the fishes also many types of fish. These are the main animals to live in the water. Entire life, these animals. If for example you see, for suppose fish, if we take from out of the water, sometime we will keep on the land. This any animal. If for example some time we keep on the land, what will happen? We are staying some time in the water. We may get some health problems. We are getting cold, fever. After some time, everything we will get. Sneezing and everything we will get. Then we will go to the doctor and we will take some medicines. Because our body is not supposed to live in the water. Same, these animals also, those entire life live in the water. Entire life, these animals live in the water. If for example, for suppose, these animals like a fish, prawns, crabs and dolphins, shark, whales, starfish, these animals, we take it from out of the water, we keep some time on the land. What will happen? Sometime later, it will be died. Because of the body features of these animals. The body features of these animals are suitable to live in the water. These animals are not supposed to live on the land. In this case, if it comes out of the water, immediately it will die. Because of it cannot breathe. Whenever these animals are in the water, then only it will be live. in the water. That is the main adaptation. These water animals are living in the water. These cannot live on the land. That is the difference between aquatic, it means terrestrial animals, and the aquatic animals. Now, what are the body features? We know what is an aquatic animal? Till now we discussed what is an aquatic animal and what are the aquatic animals. Which animals are aquatic animals? That we learn. Now, what are the body features? Which body features are suitable these animals to live in the water? Which animals are suitable these animals to live in the water? That we will discuss now. Okay children? Features. Features of aquatic animal. The another name of aquatic animals also we know as water animals too. Water animals. Water animals. Now, features of the water animals. What are those? What are the features of animals? See, these water animals body has a suitable, it means those body is slim. Please, see for example, we know about all these animals are water animals now. We know very well about fish. We know very well about fish. So, we'll see the body of a fish. We'll know about the features of fish. How the fish survive in the water. How the fish survive in water. We'll discuss now. How the fish survive in the water. That fish, these aquatic, these water animals are entire life You know very well about this fish, children. What is the shape of the fish? Yeah. The shape of the fish is totally different from the land animals. These are body of these fish, water animals are boat shaped. Boat shaped body is, see how is the boat? The boat also like this. The shape of the body of these animals, boat shaped. So, see, this is fish. This is fish. This is fish. See, the features of this water animals are the shape of the fish. The shape of the fish is boat shaped. Boat shaped. And this front portion is a pointed shape. The body, the front part of this fish had a sharp pointed. And the slim, it is the body also, it is very slim in size. All these water animals, body has a slim in size. Because of that shape of the body, easily to swim in the water. Because of this body feature, because of this shape of the body, easily to swim in the water. Easily to swim in the water. Because of normally we are there, how can we swim in the water? Like it is means we have a legs. With the help of legs we will walk. if for example, suppose we go to the water, we will So here the body, the shape of this body is boat shaped and a slim body and a streamlined body too. The streamlined body. The streamlined body of these water animals to easily to swim in the water. That is one of the feature. And not only that, this streamlined body means the water animals, the front portion, it means the face, the front portion of this body is sharp pointed and back side, it means at back it had a tail. At back it had a tail and the sharp pointed front portion and a streamlined body, slim body support these animals easily to swim in the water. Easily to swim in the water. That is one feature to swim in water. To swim in water. And not only the children. These fish had here see the special parts. These special parts also known as fins. These special parts are known as fins. Fish with the help of these fins, it is easily to swim in the water. It is easily to swim in the water. The body shape, the streamlined body shape and these fins are these water animals easily to swim in the water. This is one feature. This is one feature and suitable to these water animals live in the water. What are these children? Fins. F-I-N-S. Fins. What are the function of the fins? Fins support these fish to swim in the water. Easily to swim in the water. That is one feature. And these here fish had a tail. Fish had a tail. This tail had show the direction of a fish. Show the direction of a fish in the water. See children, for example, we are going on the road. We are going on the road. See, in the road means many number of directions, north, south, east, west, all the directions are there. Streets are, number of many streets are there. So, if for example, from our house to here, we know that way. We know that way. But many streets are there. But in the water, it look everywhere, it appears the same. Everywhere it appears the same. Then how can it know in which direction it can go? In that case, these fish tail show the direction. This fish tail show the direction of the way. Show the direction of a way. In which? Like that side or this side. It shows the way. See, whenever you see in the aquarium or in the water, the fish like this, it can swim. It can swim. Suddenly it can see like this, stone like this. Suddenly like this. So it can swim in the water. With that it show it like the sides of this water. The tail only show the direction. That is one feature. And if any time you touch the fish, the body is in the totally covered with scales. Totally covered with scales. See children, these are the scales. That fish entire body is covered with scales. Scales means you know, like this is the shape of the scale. These scales are very hard. These scales are very hard. So, these scales are with the help of this scale. With the help of this scale, these scales are protected the water animal's skin. See, we had a skin. That skin is covered with hair. That land animals have, terrestrial animals, skin is covered with hair. These water animals, skin is covered with scales. These scales are very hard. Why? Because, see, for example, sometimes we keep our hand in the water, it will become a very smooth. Our hand or our body, for some time we will keep in the water, it becomes very smooth. But these fish, entire life, these water animals, entire life, they live in the water. Then the skin become very smooth. So, because of that protecting, these body have a scales. What are those children? Scales. S-C-A-L-E-S. Scales. So, this body had a scales. These scales are not only protecting the skin. These scales are, it does not enter the excess water to the body. Does not enter excess water to the body. These are the function of the scale. Okay children, remaining features we will discuss in the next class. Okay.